You guys are usually yelling, screaming, and moving all over the place, and I put you back in your box. Come on, everybody wake up. Wake up. Wake up. You're supposed to be looking for the mama. Wake up. Supposed to be looking for the mama. Yelling and screaming and looking for the mama. What's up, huh? Not this time so much, huh? That's it? You're done? Man. Okay, let her in.
Where's that?
That's it. I know, we locked you out. How terrible is that, huh? We locked you out. They're all sleeping. See, they didn't miss you at all. So, nudge them. Let them know you're here, huh? Nobody's missing. Nobody's missing. Look at that. They're not even waking up. Huh? They're not even waking up. Tell them the mama's here. The mama's here. Tell them the mama's here. She knows the mama's here, huh? Look at it. The mama's back. The mama's back. There goes everybody, huh? It's the mama. You still aren't hungry enough for what? Huh? Okay. Not gonna get you guys finding the mama. Finally. Good girl, these things, Joe. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl, yeah. Guess Spi's not hungry, huh? Guess she's not. Okay, there we go. Say goodbye, Singed. Say goodbye, yeah. Did I lock you off from your babies? Oh, that was mean, huh?